Hello everybody. Today we'll discuss about the differential equation. What is the history of a differential equation? Actually, the father of the differential equation, that is a mainly Leibniz. Sometimes that is a calculation in calculus, that is in 1671 invention by Newton, but submitted by 72. That's why in Leibniz previously they deposited. So that's why sometimes that differential equation का father Leibniz and Newton both भी बोलते हैं और Leibniz भी बोलते हैं. So that is in 1675 and 1691. That is the main concept comes by Leibniz. See, that is in May 20, 1715, that he revealed the solution of the differential equation by Leibniz. That means, so that's why date of birth of differential equation is November 11, 1671. November 11, 1671. That time Leibniz introduced black and white integration method. That means after that, here Henry Penneker in 19th century they adopt, that is the solution, strongly adopt. So that the solution of the differential equation named. So Henry Penneker. But first that is you find out the method of separation of variables. Method of separation of variables which is solved at Leibniz. Solved by Leibniz. First it is comes. So after that, method of solving homogeneous of a faster order it solved also comes after that. Then method of solving Bernoulli's equation, that is comes in 1690 in integral form. The integral is the solution को integral उस टाइम में बोलने के लिए बर्नौली बोला था. But after that, method of solving linear differential equation Lagrange's in 1774 ने लाया. So that means these are the different solution method till now we used. This is a very important chapter in science also, because by using this technique, मतलब differential equation, science develop electronically. मतलब जितना भी स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी और जितना भी ज्यादा वाइब्रेशन दा फोन मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी वो आता है, सब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को यूज करके होता है. दैट मीन्स application and use is very interesting in modern society. That means in modern technology developed through the differential equation. Now here that we will discuss some differential equation kya hai, what is the differential equation, then what are the differential equation examples, and what the actually solutions, and what is order, and what is the degree. After that continue. Okay, that is the basic fund. What is the definition of the differential equation? That means simply you can say an equation having derivative is equal differential equation. That means we can expandly you can say that means an differential equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable or variable or variables is known as differential equation or DE. Is known as differential equation or DE. You can take that example. But dy by dx plus 5a is equal to 0. Means in this equation the derivative dy by dx is there. So that's why here y is the dependent, x is the independent. That's why here given dependent with respect to independent. Dependent means y with respect to independent. That is called differential equation. that is called differential. Similarly, other example you can take, other example, that means you can say dx d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. Similarly, another example you can say, suppose d square y by dx square plus 5x dy by dx plus 7 is equal to 0. That means here the differential equation is the first order, means here one time derivative is there. Here double time derivative is there. Here also double time derivative is there. That means what you know exactly, dy by dx is equal to, you can say dy, you can say y dash, or if y is equal to fx, then you can say that is equal to f dash x. Sometimes y1 also you can say. That means similarly, d square y by dx square is equal to d square y or y double dash, or that is equal to f double dash x, that is equal to y2. That's why dny by dx to the power n d to the n y is the y nth derivative, means f n x, that is y n you can say. This is the fundamental concept of derivative. Here the derivative का higher order का concept, first order, second order, nth order, means nth times if derivative comes, then what will write? This is the concept. Now comes to, that is a differential equation. Why it is called differential equation? That means this equation having derivative. Simple funda. So that is called differential equation. That means what is equation? If expressions are equalized, then that time you can say equation. Here this is the differential equation. And differential equation, how many types? Differential equation कितना types है? एक, दो, तीन, what? How many types are there? Differential equation, how many types? Differential equation basically two types. One is the ordinary differential equation. Another is the partial differential equation. Another is the partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation or partial differential equation. That means in ordinary differential equation also, that is a one is a linear, another is a non-linear. Linear differential equation is a, that is the two types, that is the homogeneous differential equation or non-homogeneous differential equation. Similarly, in a nonlinear, that is the same concept, that is the two. One is the homogeneous, differential equation, another is the non-homogeneous differential equation. In partial case, same comes, means in partial, that is the one is the linear, another is the non-linear. In same way, that is a linear partial differential equation PDE, partial differential equation, or that is a two types also. That means a homogeneous PDE and non-homogeneous or heterogeneous PDE. Similarly, nonlinear, one is a homogeneous, another is non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous PDE differential equation. This is the diagram. Matlab, this diagram shows that basically the ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Then comes to what is the ordinary differential equation. What is, this is a higher chair. That is what is partial differential equation, then what is ordinary difference. This is a higher chair. Means this way we can define it. So now comes to what is ordinary differential equation. That means it has one independent variable and one dependent variable. And partial differential equation that has more than one independent variable but one dependent variable. Simply you can say a differential equation containing one or more functions of the one independent variable and the derivative of those functions. In short, you can say any differential equation having one independent variable and one dependent variable. That is called the ordinary differential equation. Take that example. Simple x dy by dx plus 5 is equal to 0. Another example you can say d square y by dx square plus 7 dy by dx plus 6x is equal to 0. Another you can say that is dqy by dx cube plus d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx का whole square is equal to 0. That means these are differential equation, means it is the ordinary differential equation. These are all ordinary differential equation. Why? One is the independent, another is the dependent. Y is the dependent, x is the independent in this case. Matlab, in always that have only one independent variable and one dependent variable. That either having some functions, either having some variables, but that have only one independent and one dependent. That differential equation is called ordinary differential equation. Then what is a partial differential? Then what is partial differential equation? PD. That is a differential equation containing one or more function of the more than one independent variables and one dependent variables and partial derivative of those functions are there. That time you can say that is the partial difference. Differential equation having more than one independent variables and one dependent variables, then that time that differential equation is called partial differential equation. Take the example. Del u by del x plus del u by del y is equal to another. Here u is a function that is of x, y. Here x is independent, y is independent, u is dependent variable. U is dependent variable. Similarly, del square u by del x square plus del square u by del u del x del y plus del u by del x plus minus del u by del y is equal to 0. That means here these are all del format means it is the partial derivative concept. D format means that is ordinary differential equation, derivative format. The partial derivative that is the here that is used here also used. So that's why this equation is called partial differential equation. This equation is called partial differential equation. Now, first of all, we have to know about the ordinary differential equation, then come to partial differential equation. In ordinary differential equation, in what is the order, what is the degree, then what is homogeneous, then what is heterogeneous, non-homogeneous, then what is linear. Next, we'll tell. Okay. What is order and what is degree? What is order and what is degree? Order क्या है? Degree क्या है? That means highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Here, highest power, that is a positive integer, of the highest order derivative of the differential equation. And if the differential equation is in polynomial format or polynomial equation, that time we can find the degree of the differential equation. If you think about one example, what the example say, that is dy by dx plus 5x is equal to 0. Plus 5x is equal to 0. The equation, differential equation is given. Its order is equal to what? Order is equal to 1. Means one time derivative. If the differential equation is here, that is dy by dx 5x is equal to 0, then degree of the differential is equal to 1. Means in this differential equation, one time derivative is there. जिसका डेरिवेटिव हम देख रहे हैं ना, उसी का पावर कितना? इसका पावर है 1. So that's why degree is 1. Another question. Suppose d square y by dx square plus dy by dx का whole cube plus dy by dx is equal to 0. In this differential equation, here this is the second time derivative, this is the first time derivative, this is the first time derivative. So in this equation, that is also a polynomial equation. So in this equation, having maximum second time derivative is there. Two time derivative is here, the first time it's second, this is first time. Then that means you can say this equation having more, that is only two time derivative, means that is the maximum two time derivative is there. So that's why order is 2. Order is 2. This order is what? Order is 2. Yes. What is the degree? जिसका ऑर्डर अभी दिखा, ऑर्डर मतलब इसका सेकेंड डिग्री पावर मिला, तो इनका सेकेंड डिग्री पावर जो मिला उनका डिग्री मतलब पावर कितना और एक्सपोनेंट कितना, मतलब ऐसे ये जो लिखा है, ये जो लिखा है डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर, इसका मतलब है डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर का पावर कितना ना, पावर 1. पावर कितना ना 1. So that's why degree is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. You cannot say that is degree is equal to 3 because what you checked for the order, that's why this is the order purpose. So after taking that order, so this derivative is the order, this derivative का power कितना है, so that the degree of this differential equation is equal to 1. If it is a polynomial equation, then we can find out the degree of the differential equation is 1. Another, suppose y double dash plus sin y dash plus 5x is equal to 0. 5x or 2x is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Having order is equal to, the order is equal to what order? Means here maximum 2 times is derivative is there. Means this is the 2 times derivative, this is first time, this is 9. So that's why in this equation, this is the derivative is the maximum 2 times. So that's why the order is equal to 2. Now you think about the degree. So first of all, you think about the, it is a polynomial equation or not? No, it is not a polynomial equation. Why? Because in a sine function, there is a derivative. Means sine function means what? Now, sine function means sine x. Means x is a independent variable. Sine x is a function which is depends on what? X value. But here sine function is depends on derivatives. So that's why this total differential equation is not a polynomial differential equation. So that's why the degree is undefined. Degree is undefined. So this is the order and this is the degree. Then one more question we'll discuss, the what is the order and what is. This is an example of differential equation. This differential equation having maximum number of derivatives, that is the 2 time derivative, 1 time derivative. So order is equal to, that is equal to 2 because 2 times derivative. And degree is not a, this is undefined. Why degree is undefined? Because it is not a polynomial differential equation. So that's why it is undefined. Polynomial means e to the power x, it is actually function. X is independent, e to the power x a function is dependent. So that's why here e to the power derivative is there. So that's why if the function is replaced by derivative, so that's why we cannot say polynomial function. So the degree we cannot define, that is undefined. Now comes to another question, same type question, but e to the power d square y by dx square suppose given. So minus suppose 5x is equal to given. So that's why you can write in this way, d square y by dx square is equal to 5x. That means we can say d square y by dx square is equal to log 5x. After rearrangement, that means the differential equation comes to a polynomial differential equation. So that's why this has degree. So here order is equal to order of the differential equation. Order is equal to 2 means maximum 2 time derivative. Here the degree is equal to that is equal to 1. Why? So this का power is equal to 1. this का power कितना? this का power 1. So कुछ लिखा नहीं, इसका मतलब है 1. So that's why here you can say that is degree is equal to 1. But in this case, that degree is undefined, but this case degree is defined, because in this case you cannot rearrange. After rearranging, that time also what differential equation is not a polynomial differential equation. But after arrangement of this differential equation, is come to or convert to the polynomial differential equation. That's why it has a degree. So on another question, you can say the differential equation ka order. Suppose we can say that is d square y by dx square is equal to that is 1 plus dy by dx का whole cube का whole root over is there. So here you can find out the order. Order means this is the maximum time derivative, that is twice here once, so that's why the order is equal to 2. Here order is equal to 2, but degree, okay, you cannot say because this is not a polynomial equation. So that's why you have to convert or rearrangement that. So after rearranging, that is d square y by dx square, that is equal to 1 plus dy by dx ka whole cube comes. So after rearrangement, the differential equation is converted to polynomial differential equation. So in that time, we can find out the degree of the differential equation. Here degree of the differential equation is what? That is equal to 2, means its power is equal to 2 here. So the degree of the differential equation is equal to 2. Degree of the differential equation is 2. So similarly, if the question having another question, so this format is in this way is there. So how can we say the here ऐसे question में दिया होगा? Suppose 3 by 2 is given. The power is 3 by 2 is given. Same concept. So the order is equal to 2. So degree finding के लिए हमको squaring both side करना पड़ेगा. After squaring, this differential equation converted to what? Polynomial differential equation. So degree of the differential equation is 2. Degree of the differential equation is 2, and order of the differential equation is 2. That means first of all you have to find out the order, then you have to find out the degree. So you have to think about the differential equation is a polynomial equation or not. If it is not a polynomial equation, then rearrange. After rearranging, if there is a polynomial equation, then you can write the degree of the differential equation. If after rearrangement there is not a polynomial differential equation, then you cannot say that degree is present. So you have to write that degree is undefined. Degree is undefined. I think you understood. Then next video that polynomial, that particular solution, and that differential ordinary differential equation having different solution. One is a particular solution, another is general solution. So after that I will proceed. So please subscribe. If you are not subscribed detail, please subscribe and share for more video. Thank you.